Hello plantaholics! In this video, let us all invade to my neighbor's Albo Marginata xanthosoma elephant ears. This plant is also known as Mickey Mouse Taro, mouse cup, and also pocket plant. It has long leaves, dark green, with variegated margins, and that variegated patterns that starts yellow and turns white when aged. Mickey Mouse can grow up to 5 to 6 feet high. The leaf blade of this plant has an interesting shape which resembles the Disney character Mickey Mouse, thus the common name. The layering colors of this plant is the most eye-catching, plus the shapes of the leaves. The new foliage of this plant tend to curl up and slowly unfurl. The bright color of this exotic foliage has the textures of wax to help the plant retain from water. Albo Marginata plants tolerate either full sunlight or slightly shaded area. Although the plant is drought tolerant, if it is extended long dry periods, it triggers into lower height, reduced leaf size, a smaller numbers of leaves, and changes in the reproductive phase. Albo Marginata is a tropical plant which is very easy to grow, that only requires little care. It only requires 80 to 90% sunlight in a day. When you repot this plant, place it under 20 to 40% of shades. If you plant directly in the full sun, you may experience leaf burn. It is best to acclimate this plant to its environment by keeping it outside and slowly moving into the sunny area over a week to avoid stress before planting. And here are some of its new shoots. And there's more pocket plant in their backyard. Why I'm jealous to my neighbor's Mickey Mouse? Cause here's the condition of my pocket plant. I don't see much improvement of its size, aside from it gives me new shoots. Hence, the size of our pot reflects to the size of our plants. So, the bigger the pot, the shorter time your plants may grow fast and healthy. Moreover, if you place your plant in the ground, it could give you more satisfying growth. And I now place one of my Mickey Mouse in our ground, and let's all see its progress after 1 month. So dear planters, it's my pleasure to hear feedbacks from you. Kindly write your comment down below, and you can also suggest me some of your secret tips on growing your plants, as raising plants is learning. Happy planting everyone, and thank you for watching.